Jesus din, kusuga sa lino guys. Okay. Hey. Hey, kusuga yung lino guys. Nah.
Suddenly, like, started shaking. I thought it was gonna be like a big, weak earthquake, and then suddenly it got stronger to the point where the ceiling started to crumble a bit. So we had to just hid in our chairs. Everyone was screaming, and then it went to the point where the whole panels, in the Audi, it broke down. It literally fell down. I even I think I inhaled some of the dust there from the panels.
Akala ko hindi siya parang fake lang ko na nalipong lang ako ganyan. Pero pag double check ko good, legit na talaga yung earthquake. So kami ng friend ko, nagduck na talaga kami sa table, mga gamit namin, mga iPad charger, tanggal ako kagad. Talaga kami, nag-akbay talaga kami. Ako nagpanic, nag-pray kami, nag-swear ako, ganyan. Like, oh no. Nag-pray talaga kami ng friend ko hanggang sa naghinay-hinay na konti yung yung earthquake. Very big impact kay. This is the strongest earthquake I've ever experienced in my whole life. Dude, the last I experienced was nung 6 years ago ata, yung sa SM. This year was the strongest earthquake ever. So,
resulta sa 7-Eleven. Mao ni ang sulod sa 7-Eleven.
Jesus din, kusuga sa lino guys. Okay. Hey. Hey, kusuga yung lino guys. Okay.
Nay.
Okay, malakas ang lidol. Mahina pa naman ang pundasyon yung bahay.